I have an extra pair of hands coming over this afternoon, so the next order of business is going to be trying to get the slide out. I have no idea how that's going to go. I just know that it's coming out today, so we'll see what happens. I'm probably going to just have you guys on a time lapse rather than you having to watch this thing real time, because it's likely to take a while. And once I get it out, I can give you a rundown of what worked and what didn't work. So that'll be the next thing, and hopefully it goes okay. End of the day update. Bathroom is stripped out and I've got all of the rotten wood out of here. So all the framing's rebuilt. Kitchen's gone, window's gone. Oh wait, slide's gone. So the slide is out of here. I'm gonna start rebuilding all that tomorrow. Oh wait, door's gone too. I've got all the rotten stuff cut out of here. So I've started rebuilding that. And starting on the back here just because it's easier, but I should be able to make some good progress tomorrow on that. A lot of rotten stuff to redo here. Yeah, that's a hole, and this is just sitting out here. I ended up putting it on the ground. I've got to rebuild. This slide's completely rotten, so what I'm going to do is rebuild this entire piece here. So I don't think it'll be too bad, but we will see. So yep, that's it. A lot of framing to do tomorrow, and I'm hoping to make some good progress. There we go. Wrap all this up. Oh yeah. And put the new one in. But I just don't know, like, how am I going to get all it together to where it holds, it's supporting its own weight. You know what I mean? I think that's probably the best bet I'm at. I'm working on rebuilding the slide, and it took me a while to finally get this bottom piece removed, which was rotted really bad in one corner. You can see how bad the damage was there, where it had just been deteriorating over time. Anyways, I finally got it apart, which, as you well know, RV construction makes no sense. There are literally screws, nails, staples coming from every direction. So it took a little bit of effort. I have it apart now, and I'm going to go ahead and frame up this bottom piece and get it replaced, and then also have to deal with this damage over here. So that's going to be the next thing on the to-do list. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and get this bottom piece framed up, put some plywood on it, and then we're going to keep pushing forward. Like most things, when you're dealing with water damage, every time I pull something apart, I discover more damage. So I need to go to the lumber yard, get some more boards, and start working on rebuilding this whole thing here. So that is the next step in this project. Well, the other slide was in such bad shape, I resorted to rebuilding the whole thing. So that's what you see here. I've got another frame here for the outside wall where the window goes, and then obviously this is the base of it, and this is what we're dealing with. So I'm hoping to get this completed today, where I can at least stick it back in there. We'll see. I am rebuilding all of this stuff in here right now. So that's kind of what we're working on in terms of getting the supports built back. These things mount, which, allow it to slide on it, etc. So we're working on that, and we'll see what kind of progress we can make, but that's where we're at right now. Morning, Jackie.
It's been a busy few days. We had, we pulled the slider out and it was way more rotten than we thought. Let me step back here. So you can see how it works. This is the bottom of the slide and this is the top. We thought that most of the rot was in these bottom wood pieces, but when we pulled this off, we found out that both sides had to be replaced. So you can see all this is new wood. We replaced it with this. Here's the original board. This is the only one that made it out of the whole slide. The rest of this is all brand new. So we went with the brown. The white from Lowe's had a shine to it, and since we are going to be painting this, we went with the brown instead. But we had to cut out the space for the window. So all that is brand new wood. The only thing that we were able to salvage, like I said, is this piece here and some parts of this, like this right here. It's the original wood. All of this is new, and all of this is new. I mean, pretty much the whole thing was rebuilt except for just a few pieces, which is really disappointing because we thought that we were going to be able to keep all of it, and so that was a 2-day project. We also did just get the brand new gaskets in. These were just delivered. Got it from Steel Rubber Products. So we're going to be taking you guys through this with the adhesive in the new gasket. You can see over here where this is what we're going to be replacing. And you know, it's 15 years old. So once we get this siding back on, we will be able to go ahead and get the slide out back in. We have a storm coming tonight, of course, so we are in a rush to get it watertight.